Hi, what's up guys? I hope everyone is doing well. So today in this little quick video, I'll be talking about the two type of ads, okay, that you need to be running properly in 2022, okay? So if you're a real estate agent, listen carefully because I'll be dropping a lot of golden nuggets in this video, okay? So just before I start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Piotr Suchecki. I'm the founder of realtordigital.com, and we help real estate agents get more transaction every single month. Okay, so the first type of ad that you need to be running in 2022 is a custom list of homes. Okay, so it's super simple to set up. It's not that complicated to set up. I have a video below if you want to check it out. I show you the exact step-by-step of how to set up a custom list of homes, the exact one that we use for our clients, and we're having tremendous success with those. Okay, so many realtors are leveraging this strategy and they're generating leads at scale because it's providing value to your target audience. Okay, so when you're running a custom list of homes, you're actually providing value to the person on the other end of the screen. What I see a lot of agents do is that they're running simply like a photo of themselves, a portrait of themselves, saying, real estate agent in X city. If you need any help, call me at this number, okay? And it doesn't work anymore. Maybe it was working back in 2012, 13, okay? But it's not working anymore. You have too much competition right now on the market, and people will just scroll down if you put that type of ad. So you need to add some value to your ad. If not, people will just skip your ad and you're going to be wasting money on Facebook and on Instagram, okay? So ultimately, if you create an ad that's a custom list of homes of the most popular property under 500K, you'll provide and lead with value like I just said before, okay? So instead of these people in the general public having to go to realtor.com, realtor.ca, Zillow, okay, to search for properties and filter by price point, you're doing the work for them, okay? So you're providing a list of homes already in their city under a certain amount, and you could also add maybe a pool, 5 rooms, 3 bathrooms, okay? You can be super specific like this. You get really a niche down client, okay? And you're filtering the list for them, and now you're providing value because time is money and it's super convenient for them. So people actually will enter their information to see that list of homes. Okay, so on the lead form, what I would do is have first name, last name, email, phone number. That's it. Okay, I'm a big believer in having less friction and having a bigger quantity, a bigger volume of leads coming in, because after we can just qualify them, okay, use automation to filter through those fake leads or tire kickers, and we actually get a decent response rate. Okay, so I'll jump right into the iPad and I'll show you exactly what type of ads we're running here in my company. All right, guys, so let's jump right into the iPad, okay? So I'll show you exactly a little bit what we do for the list of homes, okay? So I'll give you like a template that you can use on your own, okay? So you can use this template and use the video in the link below on how to build that ad on Facebook and on Instagram, okay? So for the ad text, okay, we use nothing like crazy. It's super simple, okay? So for the ad text, okay, we use super simple. So Montreal home list, and then you can add some characteristics. So huge lot space, dream home, median price of, okay, this you can modify it and put whatever. So it could be 600K, okay, depending in your market. You could add the price point of your market, okay? Spacious homes, fully renovated and remodeled, okay? Based on the home you show the most interest in, we have compiled a list of these aesthetically appealing homes, okay? Now for the creative, what I like to do is use 4 images. So what I usually like to do is I use 2 outside images, so 1 and 2, and then I'll use 2 inside images. But what you want to do, okay, on the specific picture we have a kitchen, but what you want to do is not putting the kitchen and the master bedroom in those pictures. You might ask me why. The pictures, okay, for the master bedroom and the kitchen are the one that the clients are asking the more. So by adding other pictures in the kitchen and the master bedroom, you're actually, giving the client a little thrill to enter their information and see exactly, how the house is looking. So what I would do is have 2 exterior pictures, okay? So 2 exterior pictures, okay? And have 2 interior pictures, but without the bathroom, okay, the master bathroom, and without the kitchen. Okay, so we'll just take this out. Perfect. So now for the headline. So this is the headline right here. I would put something like Montreal home list, okay? Something super simple with a little emoji, a house, okay? It's just more appealing to the eye. And for the link description, so this is here, learn more with a little emoji pointing to the button, okay? Usually what we do is we use the learn more button because it just convert more. We tested all kind of call to action, and the learn more simply works better, okay? So as you can see, it's super simple. There's nothing complicated about this. So you could use this exact same template, okay? For the creative, we used Canva to get the creative. So we just created a 4 picture on Canva, super simple to use. And that's it for the list of homes. So I'll jump into the next type of ad that you should be running in 2022. All right, so the second type of ads that you should be running if you're a real estate agent in 2022 is new development opportunity, okay? So this is simply looking at new developments in your city and marketing them on Facebook and on Instagram, okay? So what you gotta do now is look and search for new condo development happening in hot new communities and simply run ads, okay? So if you know that there is, some condos happening in, let's say, in Montreal in a specific area, of course, you have to have an agreement and as a builder and all that kind of stuff. I guess you already know all of this, but you could simply run ads and get amazing results from those ads, okay? So this provides tremendous value because you're offering to get pre-sale pricing on a new condo that most people might not have heard about because they're not in the industry, okay? So they're not following up with what's happening in Montreal, new condos happening, new construction happening every single year, okay? So they didn't know that this development was coming out, and you gave them the opportunity to find out, okay, what's coming ahead of time so they can get the best price on it and select the exact unit that they want before the competition even start marketing it, okay? So I'll jump into the type of ads that we used in the past that work really great, okay? So I'll jump right into my iPad and I'll show you exactly what type of ad, what structure, what text, what headline to use to really get a good cost per lead and, get amazing results. All right, guys, so this is the second ad, okay? So I'll show you exactly a breakdown of that second ad and how you can structure it on your own and make it, give a little personal touch on your own when you'll be running those type of ads, okay? So this here is the ad text. Okay, so, and if we look at the ad text, it's super simple, short, directly to the point, okay? So attention city names. So here, let's say you're doing Montreal. Exclusive opportunity, get the best pre-sale prices on these beautiful, okay? Let's say you're marketing condos, okay? So on these beautiful condos that are coming up in, and then you're gonna put a specific community name, and you want to choose one that is starting to grow. So let's say in Montreal, I'll put whatever. I'll put LaSalle. So it could be in LaSalle. Okay, some nice condos that are being built just in front of the river. So that could be an idea. Okay, so this is your chance to get in early before prices increase and get the best units, and before the best units get sold. Click below for more details. Okay, so as you can see, we use a couple of emojis, just to get more attention. You could use the exact same ones. It doesn't matter. Okay, you could just add a little touch yourself. For the creative, so for the image, of course, you would use a picture, okay, of the developers. So you would use anything, that's related to the condo. You don't want to market something else than the actual condo. In this case, creatives, okay, so you would use a picture like I just said. For the headline, you will use exclusive pre-sale opportunity, okay? For the link description, we saw it before. I'll just change the page. So you're also going to use learn more with that little finger pointing to your call to action. And here I don't have it, but you would have the same thing. So here you would have the learn more button. So learn more. Okay, and here also you would have the learn more with that little finger. Okay, I'm not sure how to draw a finger, but you get the point. Okay, so it would be something like this, super simple. So like I said, you can use this exact same template, okay, that we use, and tweak it on your own. All right, so this is pretty much it for today, guys. If you have any question regarding the ads or something else, please leave a comment below. Subscribe to the page, like this video, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Ciao, guys.